In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create your own personal product feed of all of your favourite designers here on Creative Fabrica. Now, if you're anything like me and use Creative Fabrica a lot in your own business, then you're going to come across designers here on the platform that you really like. Now, right here, we're on their own product store. And right here, we see this follow designer. Now, if we click on here, we're now going to be following that designer, and every time that they bring out a new product, it's going to show in your own personal product feed. Now, to find that feed, you want to come up to here, come to my profile, come down to my own personal product feed just here, and it's going to open this tab. Now, in my case, I follow 92 designers here on Creative Fabrica. If I click on here, it's then going to show me all of the designers that I follow. Now, if we come back to here, we can also check out all of the new products from designers that you follow. So if I click on here, I can then see all of those products which all of the designers that I follow have released, just like this. So that's how to create your own personal product feed here on Creative Fabrica. Now, for more Creative Fabrica bite-sized tutorials, click right here and watch this playlist.